Welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, we will try to find out how YouTube TV family sharing work. So, if you have purchased a YouTube TV membership, you can create a family group. Now, what is a family group? So, a family group lets you share your membership with up to 5 members at no extra cost. So, when you create a family group, you become the family manager. So, as a family manager, you can invite family members to join your family group. If you purchased extra subscriptions and packages, family members can view these add-ons from their accounts. So as a family group member, you can build your own personal library of content on YouTube TV. Your viewing preferences and DVR are your own, and YouTube TV won't share your library or watch history to other family member. So you and other family group members can view any extra subscriptions and packages purchased by the family manager. So sharing YouTube TV as a part of a family group also lets you share other Google services with the same members. So in order to share your membership with your family members, you just have to simply come in your settings, and here you will see the family sharing option. As you can see that you need to just finish sign up, and you can share your membership with 5 people. So you will have to send them invite on their email addresses, and when they accept your invite, you will be able to see their profile in this section, and from this section you can basically manage your family group. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.